God, there's more. Good morning, guys. Woke up early today, 5 o'clock, to hike this mountain.
Climb some stairs.
Go up some stairs to see a viewpoint of the sunrise.
If we make it there.
If we make it, these are a lot. Plus, we gotta make it back in time for them pancakes. So we better start moving. You breathing? You breathing?
I'm breathing. We were trying to climb the Lion Dragon, but it's kind of slippery and it's raining, so we didn't want to risk it. So we're just kind of chilling.
Yeah, I don't know how people do that. You see pictures of them up by the dragon. I give props to them because it's slippery. The rocks are sharp. So we're gonna call it here.
You could still, from here, you could still climb more stairs if you like, to the pagoda. But it's 500 steps to get up here, which took us, what, half an hour?
I'm not even sure. It's 100,000 dong each, and he charged us 10,000 dong for parking for the scooter.
It's only, what, 50 cents?
Yeah, less than 50 cents. So he was helpful. Gave us a map and everything.
We weren't sure if we were actually in the right place as we were walking. We didn't film it because it was dark. But now to head back down for pancakes.
We still got time for them pancakes.
Where you walk that.
Yeah, you walk that, but right now it's like just mud.
Yeah.
Like in the season, it's probably just all pink lotus.
Mm-hmm.
And it's probably really nice.
Yeah.
What time is it?
8.
8 o'clock?
8:05.
Oh, yeah, we got time. There's the cave.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind going into some of those big caves. Like, you know, peek in there real quick.
Sure.
This looks nice.
Yeah.
Hello.
We're just leaving. The place is called Hang Múa Viewpoint. looks like you could actually stay in that area. It looks like a resort, but it's called the Nico Lodge. So now we're gonna go get some pancakes. Okay, I made it back. Time for some pancakes. You got it?
Got it.
Ra lại tư thì chư pháp không tướng bấn sanh bấn diệt bấn cấu bất tình bấn tăng bấn giảm tỳ khổ không trung vô sắc vô thọ thường hành thân vô nhan nhi tỳ địa thân y vô sanh tinh hương vị xung hoa vô nhan giới này chỉ vô y từng giới vô vô minh diệt vô vô minh tầng này chỉ vô là tư diệt vô lão tư tầng.
So we're here at this Buddhist temple, and it has a pagoda also. So we're gonna go check it out. The hotel that we're staying at, the guy recommended it.
So our hotel gave us this map we're going off of, our adventure map.
I think we already did that one, and we're right here.
Ma ban nhà ba la mận đa tâm kinh quang tự tại Bồ Tát hành thâm ban nhã ba la mận đa thời chiếu thiện ngũ ức giai công độ nhân phía cổ anh ta lại tư sanh bấn gì không không bấn gì sanh sanh từng thị không không từng thị sanh thọ tương hành từng diện vốn như thị. Ra lại tư thì chư pháp không tướng bấn sanh bấn diệt bấn cấu bất tình bấn tăng bấn giảm tỳ khổ.
Okay, so we made it out of the cave, but now we have more steps to walk. We have really nice views here. What you think?
This place is wild. So much space in these caves.
They built houses. Did you see that? They're like little houses
Where?
when you come in.
Oh
like
yeah.
Okay, so we're just leaving the pagoda. We're gonna head back.
Starting to drizzle a little bit.
Yeah.
We'll see. Still want to do the boat tour.
Yeah. Not sure we're gonna be able to do that today. There were some dogs there.
We just walked in on them right around this corner.
Okay, so we're gonna head back to the scooter. It says free parking. The lady flagged us down, but we're not sure it's exactly free, so we're gonna go find out.
Yeah, she flagged us down and told us to park there when there's parking further up here. So we parked way down here at a little restaurant. She said free, the sign says free. Coconut water?
You want a coconut?
How much are the coconuts? 13.
Okay,
No, one?
Probably just one.
Yeah, we'll take one.
Okay, so we're getting a coconut for 30,000.
Yeah.
How much is that?
A little over $1.
So we did pay for parking.
Which is-
Well, I am kind of thirsty.
We've gotten them for 10
20, 25.
There's some for 10 on the outskirts.
Well, that's good. You want one of your own?
Do I?
Try it.
Ngon quá.
Try it.
Ngon quá. Cái gì mà ngon ngon thế?
Yeah, maybe.
Ừ.
We get
No water more, mom. Yeah, good. Really good.
one more for me.
Hả?
One more.
Okay. Ngon quá.
Goodbye đi. Goodbye. Goodbye cô đi. Không, nếu người được. Goodbye. À, lấy đưa cho lấy đưa mà lấy đưa cho bán cho cô. Cho bác nhanh. Cho bà. Đấy, cô đã chưa.
Oh, we got a straw, right? We'll take this straw. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So 60 we're up to. She got us on the coconuts.
Yeah, they're cold, but they're good. They're very sweet.
Yeah, it's good. Sometimes you get the coconut just warm. But yeah, these are cold.
It's good electrolytes after.
After all that stair climbing today. All right. Let's ride. So yeah, you can park over here.
Get some coconuts. So we're, I don't know how you say it, and gone vegan. We're gonna be getting the hot pot. Because I'm cold. It's been raining all day. Probably something to drink. Maybe a juice. Fresh juice.
Yeah, this is our second time here. Yesterday we got watermelon juice. It was really good. It's like strained too, so you didn't get all that pulp in there, the seeds, all that.
And I'll take a watermelon juice. Yes.
2?
Yes, two. Thank you. Thank you.
We did try hot pot before. Good for the cold weather, rainy weather with the hot pot.
It's our third time though.
The third time, oh.
Yeah.
Is it now?
No, our first time here.
Anyway,
Yeah.
okay, here's the temperature. It's we will down the temperature here, up here. We make the soup already, you just cook it by yourself.
This first?
Yeah. Put the mushroom and vegetable inside to cook about 4 to 5 minutes. Vegetable, put inside. But not all in one time, like one by one. So now it waits 4 to 5 minutes for cooking the vegetable. And when it's done, you can take the old vegetable out to the big one and share 2 small bowls to eat and put the new one away.
Okay.
So we put these in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And when it's the boiling, it's okay. So you take all vegetable to the big one and share to eat and put the new one to cook away.
Oh, yeah.
And the tofu, you just put in the hot water and take it out to eat. No need to cook too much. And one they put is marble, and if you use it one to cut the soup inside.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, inside.
Right. Third time doing this. You seem like the most helpful
Yeah.
hot pot.
Yeah.
Sure.
Where was the first one that we got?
Mouse?
Oh yeah, Laos.
Right, doesn't eat much. It's just
No. Let me try it. Oh, it's spicy. It needs a little spice. Oh, it's spicy.